sort of must-win situation for a little while now. Is there, I mean, there's obviously a benefit, I guess, motivation-wise, but is there sort of kind of a tipping point where it becomes a bit difficult to manage that kind
Not really. We just, all we can really focus on is the one game at a time and try to take care of business that night. And we've done a better job of that as of late. Through that little 2-game stretch there where we didn't finish well, and that's why we're in this position. So it's been up and down all year, and right now we got to bring our A game.
How much do you take from the game against these guys 2 weeks ago or 10 days ago, whatever it was, when you guys had a good game?
Yeah, it was a really good game for us. You take what you can, but it's it's a new night. It's in their building. They'll be ready. They got points to play for as well, and we're gonna have to be ready for their game. Obviously, they're a good home team and coming off a win as well.
You guys had success against them last year as well. Is this something that kind of carries forward at all going into?
Yeah, I hope so. It has to, but it is a new day, so we gotta have. When we win, all 4 lines are playing well and contributing, and we've had that. For the most part here, and it's going to have to continue tonight.
Is there something about the matchup that works in your favor, or is it just one of those things?
I don't know. They got a good team over there, good defense, good goaltender, so we're going to have to, get a lot of pucks to them, try to create some chances down there, and guys are going to need to find ways to score.
You guys talk about playing your own game this late in the season, obviously going for wins. Is it easier to do that when you're playing so many Eastern Conference teams that you rarely see? You can focus more on yourselves?
It shouldn't be any easier or harder. There's certain things you have to accomplish on a nightly basis, and when you do them, you give yourselves a chance to win, and when you don't, you're not going to win. So it's got to be consistent, for us, and that's what we need tonight.
You mentioned focusing on what's in front of you. Is it more difficult to do that when you have kind of a bigger picture that's always sort of looming in the background?
There's always a big picture back there, and it's if you're going to look at the end right now, you're probably not going to get the result you want, and so it's not about that. If we look there, you're probably going to get tight. This group has to play loose. We have to have fun with it. We have to, do all the little things that it takes to win, and if we can find that on a consistent basis, we'll give ourselves an opportunity.